I'm Dave.
And I'm Joey, and we're the Brolaws.
We've been building dream renovations for over a decade. We're also brothers-in-law.
That's right, this guy married my sister. We do any kind of renovation inside and out, and we like to bring our personality and sense of fun into everything that we do. Now, with the help of our expert designer Thalita,
we'll be building together till death do us part. Typically, we're doing renovations for our amazing clients, creating beautiful spaces for them. Today, I think we got the best client of all.
this guy. Meg's been bugging me about our master bathroom for a while now, so a little bit of self-preservation here. I think we need to get this done. So we've been in the house for about 3 years now. We've kind of done lipstick finishes around, painted walls, but I mean, the old saying, the cobbler's kids don't have any shoes. Well, the contractors' wives don't generally have very nice houses. Sorry.
Some places are okay, but the bathroom's a disaster.
We haven't been able to use our master ensuite for about a month now.
More like 3.
So we're gonna get started on this project. It's gonna be a complete gut in that bathroom. I'm hoping to do barn board, like kind of on the floors and then up onto the walls too, kind of into the shower. I really like barn board tile and stuff like that, so.
No, remember we discussed like white subway tiles. Because
Oh.
it's like clean and nice and they're like a good size.
I don't know if we discussed that.
You were there and I was there.
We might need a little help here.
I know Joe and Meg really, really well. I mean, we've lived together and we've been related for a long time now. And I know that they don't always see eye to eye when it comes down to design. So we're bringing Thalita, our designer, in to make sure everything flows smoothly and they both get what they're looking for at the end of the day. Yay, Thalita! Are you ready for this?
I think so.
Now, we know Joe and Meg don't always see eye to eye when it comes to design.
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to help them?
I think I can take on the role of therapist and designer.
Good, because I'm related and I don't want to get in the middle of those two.
So our next step is to use the Euro-style 3D planner, and at this point we can actually put in exact dimensions of the bathroom, things like where the door is and the window is, so we can visualize fully what the space is going to look like. So what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to take this builder grade vanity that is nice and big, but unfortunately not super functional for the couple because they only have the one sink in the middle. So what we'll be doing here is actually having still doors on either side, drawers in the middle, with a tower to add lots of storage and make the space really work for them. Okay, so here instead of having this huge tub that takes up way too much space, we're going to give Joe and Meg a freestanding tub, and that will really open up the room. The floors will just look so much bigger, and then next to it, their shower is going to be almost twice the size that it is now, with glass doors so that it really opens up the room and lets lots of light in.
Dough time! Everything's gotta go, so vanity's gone, tub's gone, shower's gone, toilet, tile, clean slate.
Beautiful, that's going to be easy. You shut the water off?
Water's off, I just gotta disconnect it.
Alright.
Alright, I'll clear.
That was easy. I'm just ridiculously strong.
It wasn't even a 10 action. Plenty of room. Of course, this is the far corner of my house.
Hey Joe, what are those dice for?
As you can see, Dave is demonstrating the ancient art of demo kung fu.
Two guys in the shower, make room for Dave in the shower. I understand why you and Meg would want a bigger shower now.
Right? It's a little not roomy.
This is where you got to store everything before?
Yeah, all of the things. Shampoo bottles, conditioner, body wash.
Where did you put things, literally?
We bought one of those towers, so it took up even more space in the already tiny cave shower.
Nice.
So hence, more room, throw a niche in the wall. This is gonna be a lot better.
Magic tile. La, 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 la. Don't like my voice, Joey? See you later, tub. Your next shower.
Here's Joey. Dave's all tuckered out from his demo kung fu. While he has a nap, Thalita's gonna take a look at our brand new blank canvas.
Whoa!
Welcome.
It looks so good in here!
It's a new wide open space.
I love it. I feel like I can see it happening already. The tub is gone, the vanity's gone,
You'll have your nice tower in the middle and 2 sinks.
Two
Go!
sinks, finally. I've been
2
dreaming
sinks.
about this.
I'm so excited.
Yes, you're gonna have pretty much free reign in here. Me and Meg can't really line up our decisions on anything, so carte blanche for
Okay,
you.
so I'm thinking like purple walls, and maybe we do like a nice sort of beigey yellow tile.
Well, free reign within white and gray. How's
Okay, I think I can work with it. I think
Okay.
I can make something good out of that, Joe.
that? Perfect. Well, Dave and I have destroyed the bathroom. I guess there's no turning back now. Let's do this.